Come on, you. Bacon does not have old chunk. I don't know.
Oh dear heavens.
Click thumbs up, do 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 do. Click subscribe, do 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 do. Freddy's Little Bites.
Let's go.
Hi guys, it's Eddie on Eddie's Little Bites, and today we're doing the fourth part of our Alexa challenge. Stop! I'm Eddie's helper, and this is actually our third one. This guy is wrong. Get him out of the video. He's wrong. Definitely. That is totally wrong. Action!
Woohoo!
So the rules of this, and remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. We want to try to get this to 200 likes.
Alright.
The way that this works, we pick something from here, and we gotta ask Amazon, Alexa, what we need, what the recipe that she shows exactly is. So,
And then we have to make it.
And eat it.
Yeah, whether we screw up or not, we gotta eat it. Alright, let's see what we got.
Okay.
Vietnamese. Oh boy. We're getting creative this time, buddy.
Can you?
Yeah. Alright, Alexa, show me a Vietnamese recipe.
Okay, for Vietnamese, here's a few recipes. And lots more.
Ooh, that looks really yummy.
Yeah, it does.
Beef banh mi with fresh cilantro. Ooh, it's got bacon and beef.
Yeah!
So let's see, we got cucumber, chili, cilantro, mint, celery, onions, lots of vegetables, fish sauce, baguettes, mayonnaise. Ooh, this is gonna be good.
Baguettes, I like baguettes.
Yeah, they're rolls, right? Different types of rolls. So, we're gonna have to go.
Shopping!
And then what?
Then we're going to have to make it, and then we'll be back to eat it.
Alright. TTFN! Ta-ta for now.
I'm gonna get 2 bunches of parsley, cilantro, and mint. 2 bunches. There you go. And then some, what is it again?
Cilantro.
Cilantro and mint. This one right here. There we go. I'm grabbing this line. We just got done shopping, and I want to give a shout out to the Duque family. Congratulations to winning. We'll put an iCard in the right upper left hand. Left.
The upper right-hand corner of the screen.
Yeah, and click, and it will send you to their channel, right?
That's right. Yeah, they won our Mighty Beans contest. That's right. So what was the crazy thing we had to get? We had to get fish sauce. I've never had fish sauce before.
Which is right.
Yeah, so let's see what we got here. You want to show us some of the stuff?
Bacon,
Yum.
chicken, lime.
That's
chicken?
beef, not chicken.
Lime, baguette, candy cane.
We are not putting
We're
those
not
candy
using the
canes
candy
in
cane.
the
They are
recipe.
not in the recipe.
Mild pepper, which kind of not supposed to, but whatever. That's the one we found. So we have what?
Sweet onion.
Sweet onion, celery, right?
Yep.
It's an English cucumber.
English cucumber, sliced up baby carrots,
Yeah, to save us some time, mint and cilantro.
and don't forget those mayonnaise.
And mayonnaise. So that's pretty much everything in the directions. Our next step is supposed to be to cook up the bacon, and it says to do it on the stove, but we don't want as much of the grease, so we do it in the
Oven?
In the oven. Talk as if you're sure of yourself, not questioning yourself.
Oven!
That's better. Yeah, we do it in the oven. And what temperature do we set the oven at?
350.
350, and then we cook them in there for
25, 30 minutes, maybe.
depending on, you got to keep an eye on it, but we're going to do that, and then we're going to move on to the next step, so we'll show you how we prep for that.
So this is a Kitchen Stories recipe. Daddy will zoom on that.
There we go.
And remember, always wash your hands before making food, or else an elf on the shelf will come and find you.
Oh boy, that sounds scary.
Yeah, don't toss it. So I'm gonna do the prep work for the bacon, and I'm gonna lay them on here. Can I?
And then we put them in the oven. While the bacon is cooking, you have to prep the beef. Now, we got rib eye, and we have it cut very thin, and then it says to cut it up into strips. So that's what I'm going to do, and start cutting them into the strips right now. Just like that.
Okay, so Mama Bites is gonna chop up this, and I think she's gonna peel it, or I'm gonna peel it. I really don't know.
Do you want to peel it?
Yeah!
Okay. We're going to use this because it's easier that way. And just
Oui.
reel and hold end down here and I'll get the end.
So obviously the step number 3 is to peel a cucumber and cut into small cubes.
It also tells you to seed it, but it also tells you to get an English cucumber, which doesn't really have the seeds like a regular cucumber does. So that's not a peppermint candy cane, is it?
No, it's a jelly one.
What's that smell like?
Mint.
That's because it is.
I
So
know.
to get it ready, you tear it.
We gotta de-stem it, right?
Yes. So we got this funky trimmer.
Unitasker.
No, it cuts up all sorts of stuff.
And we got a candy cane.
Alton Brown would call it a unitasker.
Uh-huh. All right,
But
I'm
it
going
does.
to use the knife and cut the rest of it up better.
And we're going to do this also to the
Cilantro. Yep, exact same thing.
And we'll do that, and we'll be
Right back.
Added half the cilantro to the cucumbers that we made.
half of the cucumbers.
Yes.
And then we need to season those with salt and pepper, or in this case, pepper, and then salt.
So we're going to thinly slice this.
And then we need to julienne.
Julienne.
That's the name of your cousin now.
Julienne a half of an onion. So we will start doing that.
And there's a lot of prep work for the vegetables. So we're gonna do the work for the vegetables.
We're going to julienne this.
No, finally chop the pepper.
Oh, we're finally. Whoa! Look at all the seeds.
After we get the seeds out.
It tells you to de-seed it. Look at all the seeds coming out of this thing. All right. I think we need to chop it open down the center.
Where'd my candy cane go?
Well, you had a kid.
What? Poindexter took my candy cane.
He
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
You are disrupting my prep work, Poindexter.
I think we should leave him be for right now.
Yeah.
Because remember, if you touch your elf, he'll lose your magic. His magic.
Okay, so I think with these onlookers here, we're gonna take care of the onion and the pepper, and I'm gonna check on the bacon because I think it's ready. So we'll be back with the next step.
The prep work is done. The bacon is done too. And now we're gonna cook the beef in vegetable oil on medium-high heat.
Woohoo! And that was a lot of prep work, as it was a lot of work to cut up all that stuff. Too bad you didn't do any magic.
That'd be so easier.
That would have been so much easier. But we did have some magic. It's all your fault. I'm blaming you, Poindexter.
Once I'm done cooking all the beef here, I'm going to put some salt, pepper, and lime juice in with the beef. And then I am going to deglaze the pan with the fish sauce. Okay, so we are going to, I did the salt and pepper already. We're going to do the fish sauce, and then I'm going to cut a lime really quickly.
It's a little pungent, but it looks really good. So right now we're cutting the baguette, and then it says to cut it in almost completely halfway through, and then put 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, so half a tablespoon on each side, and then layer with bacon, beef, all the vegetables, and all of the, what's the other? Herbs. That's the word I was looking for. So we're going to prep our sandwiches, and we will be back with our
Final review.
So, here's our final product, but if
It looks absolutely
Delicious.
fantastic, and it does look like
a lot. So you don't have to use as much that it says in the thing because it just gives you too much.
yeah, cutting up all the vegetables and the herbs, it was just way too much. We have bowls left over there, but it does look exactly like it did on the picture with Alexa.
Yep.
And
I'm gonna take a bite.
the baguettes are a little hard, bud, just so you're aware, because that's the type of bread.
That's real good. The vegetables give it a crunch. The crunch that it needs. The bacon just finishes off. Like, it puts the flag on the mountain. It, like, does, like, it makes the thing way gooder.
How about the beef?
I'm gonna try it again. I don't think I had any beef. This is good too.
Even with the fish sauce?
You won't even taste the fish sauce.
All right, so what would you say?
Really good.
So we got lucky again with this Alexa challenge. All right, who's up?
Me.
Daddy bites.
Oh, let's let Mommy Bites go.
My turn. Eddie was right. You really definitely get the bacon kind of makes it pop, and all of the vegetables are really good. You can taste the mint and the cilantro a little bit. It's got a really good crunch too. If I wasn't holding the sandwich, I'd give it 2 thumbs up. Now, once I finish this bite, it's Daddy Bite's turn.
Okay, so Daddy Bites' turn. Definitely a lot on the sandwich, so let's see what we get. This is really good. The thing I'm loving about these Alexa challenges is we're eating stuff that I would never have ordered or never have tried to make. The sandwich is very well layered. The crunch of the bread, the crunch of the bacon, which adds flavor, the mayonnaise, all the vegetables, and then you get hit with the mint and the different herbs and a little of that taste of fish sauce, which I didn't think I was going to like, but it's awesome. It really, really enhances the flavor of this sandwich. This is a great sandwich. This is way too small for what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna make myself a little bit more.
Me too.
Highly recommend this. This is a
too.
great recipe. Try it at home, but again, you don't have to make as much as you needed. And with that, I believe we have one more thing.
Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And remember, we answer all the comments.
Yes, we do.
So remember to enjoy every little bite. Bye. Dog. Daddy.
Woohoo!